Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a fantastic Exante pack hack for the Indian style curry pack. Just look at this. It becomes, honestly, it's just like a chili beef burger. It really does taste like a beef burger. Just look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just the way you can easily cut into it. It comes away really smoothly. It all sticks together really well. It's absolutely gorgeous. So stay tuned for this. So first of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Add 100 ml of boiling water, and then just basically add the whole pack to that, stirring continuously. Pop into the microwave for 20 seconds. Mine is a 700 watt microwave. Give it a really thorough stir through, and then just add an egg white. Really important, do not add the egg yolk because there's too many calories in it. Give it a good stir. Add some garlic powder if you fancy that. Add a bit of oregano if you fancy that. Add any other spices or seasoning, whatever you fancy. I've also added just a small amount of petit pois here. Stir them in really well, and then shove in the microwave for another 20 seconds. Add a couple of squirts of fry light to some foil. Just basically put the mixture onto the foil and fry light and just make it into a nice round burger shaped piece of meat, whatever you want to call it. I'm adding some golden breadcrumbs. You don't have to do this at all, but I like it. I like the texture of it. I like the way it is. And then put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Bye. Flip it over. Add some more breadcrumbs on that side if that's what you want to do, and then put it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. To accompany this delightful recipe, I'm adding a bit of fry light to a saucepan, and I'm just basically adding some asparagus because this is low carb and it's a great alternative to burger buns, isn't it? Let's be honest. And then once we're all ready, check it out. It's just slightly brown around the edges, as you can see. Absolutely gorgeous. Makes a really delicious, tasty meal. Please guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Got loads and loads of pack hacks for Exante packs. I've got low fat recipes, low carb, low calorie recipes to help you on your weight loss journey, because I have lost 20 kilos. So guys, don't forget to share this video as well and spread the love.